हाय गाइस, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं टॉप लॉयर्स इन आवर कंट्री। व्हेन वी से टॉप लॉयर्स, ऑफ कोर्स द लिस्ट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन। अगर हम चाहें, अगर रोज अगले एक साल तक हम ये रोज एक एपिसोड लेकर आए तो भी वो कम नहीं होगा, तो भी खत्म नहीं होंगे। जो नेम है इतने सारे हैं, राइट? स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम महात्मा गांधी, अगेन लॉ ग्रेजुएट, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर लॉ ग्रेजुएट, कितने सारे लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स हैं। फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में भी आपको पता है बहुत सारे लॉयर्स थे, लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स थे इंडिया के फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में जिन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इवन पॉलिटिशियंस, लॉट्स ऑफ पॉलिटिशियंस who are law graduates. We all are aware about Mr. Ram Jethmalani. We all are aware about Arun Jaitley, late Arun Jaitley, late Mr. Ram Jethmalani, also Kapil Sibal, and so many other lawyers who have actually actively participated in politics, including Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav as well. So when we talk about top lawyers, what are the names that strike our mind immediately when we say top criminal lawyer, top corporate lawyer? There are certain names that I'd like to discuss with you guys today to motivate you in your law journey. Let's quickly look at the first name on our list. The first name, guys, is the great Mr. Ram Jethmalani. He sadly passed away last year, but the contribution he made to the legal fraternity is absolutely immemorable. Now, today, if we talk about Mr. Ram Jethmalani, अगर हम बात करें राम जेठमलानी जी की, तो सोचिए दोस्तों, अरविंद केजरीवाल जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं दिल्ली के, उनका एक डिफेमेशन डिस्प्यूट था लेट अरुण जेटली के साथ, राइट? फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर ऑफ फाइनेंस अरुण जेटली, उनके साथ एक डिफेमेशन डिस्प्यूट था, जहां पे राम जेठमलानी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को रिप्रेजेंट किया, कोर्ट में गए 3 बार फॉर 3 times appearing in the court. He charged rupees 3.5 crores. So you can imagine भाई कहां तक आप जा सकते हैं अगर आप लिटिगेशन प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. Of course, he practiced till the age of 94. So just imagine, guys, at the age of 94, numerous times he was offered to be a Supreme Court judge, but he denied them every time, and he instead chose to be the lawyer that he was, right? Ace lawyer, we all know. I was very fortunate to have interned under him. The charisma, the magnetism, the personality of Mr. Ram Jethmalani was so magnetic that मतलब अगर आप उनकी प्रेजेंस में हैं तो आप श्योरली आप अपने आप को बहुत लकी महसूस करेंगे, राइट? तो आई वाज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव इंटर्न अंडर हिम, एंड he was a former union minister of law and justice as well, former union minister of urban development, and also former president of Supreme Court Bar Association as well, right? Mr. Ram Jethmalani's contribution can be understood that scam 1992, I'm sure you have seen, that he was Harshit Mehta's lawyer as well. All the criminals, the big shot criminals, and even terrorists that you have heard of, all have been represented by Ram Jethmalani. There is no criminal in India, right, who does not know the contribution of Mr. Ram Jethmalani, or who did not wish that Ram Jethmalani defended them, right? So Ram Jethmalani, ace criminal lawyer, right? Moving on to the next name, we just discussed about him, the late Arun Jaitley. Sadly passed away, in the last year. But Mr. Arun Jaitley's contribution to the legal fraternity has been immense. He was also the chairman of Delhi District Cricket Association, and he was also the union minister of finance as well as union minister of law, right? He was former president of DDCA, as we discussed, senior advocate, and of course ace lawyer, hailed from Delhi. While he was there in Delhi District Cricket Association, there were lots of allegations of alleged wrongdoing, etc., and this all were in news in the recent past, because Bishan Singh Bedi was member of DDCA. He took his name back once he got to know that there is a statue being built in the Delhi District Cricket Association Stadium, right, in the Firoz Shah Kotla. The name was changed, as you all are aware. I am pretty sure. In case you are not aware, please write this down. The Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium in Delhi has been renamed as Arun Jaitley Cricket Stadium. So do remember this, Arun Jaitley Cricket Stadium. The Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium, in which Anil Kumble took 10 wickets against Pakistan, that stadium has been renamed as Arun Jaitley Cricket Stadium. Now, moving on to the next name, guys, in the list is Kapil Sibal, right? You all have heard about him. Kapil Sibal is again an ace lawyer, a fantastic orator, senior advocate in the Supreme Court, defends you can say defends the opposition right now in all its legal matters. Is former Union Minister of Law and Justice hails from the Congress Party. Former Union Minister of Earth and Sciences, former Union Minister of Science and Technology, and the former Union Minister of Communication and Technology, along with former Union Minister of HRD. Even Kapil Sibal's father was known as International Bar Association said that he was such a gem that he was it was his presence only made everything much more you can say soothing and much more easy in terms of giving any such a speech, etc. All these things were piece of cake for the Sibal family, of course, right? So Kapil Sibal, his entire family, all of them have been involved in the legal fraternity, all right? So Kapil Sibal is lawyer, still practicing, and of course is an active politician as well. Then we're talking about the next name here in the list, Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Now, when we talk about Abhishek Manu Singhvi, recently we have heard lots of things about him as well. When we're talking about these ace lawyers, right? Again, when we talk about Abhishek Manu Singhvi, ace lawyer, senior advocate, again, member of Parliament of India representing Bengal in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. We all saw recently when COVID was there, an informal picture of Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi was out. It was published from his account as well. So all of us know about that, right? But when we're talking about him, recently there were lots of controversy attached to his name. 57 crore rupees, notice was actually served by the income tax settlement office, right? They had served that 57 crore rupees 57 crore rupees, right, were actually due to be given by Abhishek Manu Singhvi because of his assets and not disclosing everything. Just imagine the amount of money that actually lawyers make, right? That's so sakte ho aap. All right, member of Parliament, we all know he's also the spokesperson of Indian National Congress. You can see July 2011 onwards, he was the chairman of Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice member, and the General Purposes Committee as well. So again, an active politician from the Indian National Congress. Then comes, guys, K.K. Venugopal. He is the current, as we are recording this video, the current Attorney General is K.K. Venugopal, but he is all set to be replaced in the month of October, right? He is current Attorney General of India. He is the founder of M.K. Nambiar SARC Law Center for Advanced Legal Studies at the Nalsar Law University. So an active contributor to national law universities as well. Venugopal, K.K. Venugopal has served as president of the Union International Desk Advocates from the year 96 to 97, that is International Association of Lawyers as well. He is more than 90 years of age, so you can imagine 1931 that was the year he was born in, right? So 91-year-old and still actively representing the government, as you all are aware. K.K. Venugopal has appeared in many high-profile cases. More significantly, you can see he was appointed as the Royal Government of Bhutan. He was appointed by them to serve as constitutional advisor while they were drafting the Constitution of Bhutan. So, Constitution of Bhutan, when they were drafting, the services, the expertise of K.K. Venugopal were also taken into consideration. Moving on to the next name, guys. In the list is Mukul Rohatgi, a former Attorney General of India, and he's all set to again be appointed as the Attorney General from the month of October. Ace lawyer, Attorney General of India. He was the 14th Attorney General of India and is all set to again become the Attorney General for the second time from October 1st. So do remember this, guys. Mukul Rohatgi, Attorney General, we know, is the apex legal advisor of the government of India and also represents the government in all its legal matters. So guys, I hope the ace lawyers, knowing about these ace lawyers have motivated you a lot. These were some ace lawyers practicing, and some of them passed away, but still the legacy that they have left is still immortal, right? So guys, make sure keep watching all such videos here on our YouTube channel. So many videos which are motivating, which are super duper important, helpful with respect to your exams, we are publishing on our YouTube channel. So keep watching them regularly. Like the video, comment in case you have any query, anything that you'd like to share with us. Please feel free and share this video with everyone who's having any relation with law, and even otherwise, right? Everyone should know about the top lawyers of the country. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any update that comes your way. You can follow us on all our social media handles. The details are available in the description of the video. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Sayonara. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.